All right, so apparently I'm really long-winded and I can't make this go faster than the 10-minute time limit I'm allowed. But I got caught off talking about our last little concept down here, which is causation. So again, when you think of the word causation, I want you to think about cause and effect. So you can think about your science classes as well, and maybe the labs or the activities that you're starting to do. If you do one thing to something, the next thing or the next variable is bound to change. So that's why I had this in here that I quickly rushed over. When you're changing a variable x, there's some sort of change that's going to occur to a different variable, which is y. The thing, though, that I really need to clue you in on is because we talked about correlation up here, correlation. So if you have a positive or a negative correlation, that doesn't automatically mean that there's causation between the two variables. And I know that's very vague and abstract. It may not completely make sense. So when I was trying to hurry up the last video, that is why I tried really hard in this lesson to give you as many examples as possible or as many resources to examples as possible, because it just kind of takes time and in learning about causation and walking through different examples. I mean, it's true. Whenever we learn something new, it's always good to experience it instead of just trying to memorize it. So, experience the examples, read through the examples that I'm giving you, because the more examples that you come across, the easier it's going to be able to understand causation and whether or not, if there's causation based on correlation. So this marks the end of our first summary notes episode number 1. Hopefully, as I continue to record things for you, I figure out the whole glitching issue and maybe get a little less winded, and it won't take 3 to 5 videos to cover one session. But for the most part, you should have the main ideas and concepts from lessons 1.1a to 1.1e. So if you still have further questions, make sure that you're asking me. Make sure that you're bringing that up, that what I'm saying didn't quite make sense. And then we'll walk through some examples or make sure we talk it out so you can further understand and progress in your learning throughout the course of this year.